Welcome back to Beaumont's home kitchen. Today is an unboxing, unwrapping of my new Bradley smoker. So I got a brand new smoker for Beaumont's home kitchen, and there's going to be tons of recipes coming up, ton of shorts, ton of regular videos and all kinds of stuff. So let's unbox the smoker. I've always wanted one of these, so I can't wait to do some salmon, brisket, short ribs, roasts, prime rib, strip loin, the list goes on and on. A lot of ribs, pork ribs, any kind of ribs. So, meat, smoker, meat, smoke, everything and everything. All right, here we go. This is my smoker. How am I getting it out of the box? I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, here he is. Okay, so take this out. Right. That part's out. I don't know what I'm doing with this yet. Oh, here, okay. I see, okay. This just comes off. There it is. The smoker. So, open it up. There it is. That's the grill. The grills. See what's all inside here. Where's the instructions? That's some instructions. In case I need that. I see cord. Something here. Maybe that goes on the top. I don't know. This goes in here. So that goes like that. Instructions. This little bin is for the briquettes when they come out. There. Your briquettes go in there, and then when they burn out, they go into there. These things. Kind of goes like so. This tray goes on the bottom. Yeah, and then these, like this. That is your smoker. Well, of course, I'm not sure. It's an outdoor smoker only, so boom. Goes there. Boom. There she is. And these are our mesquite wood chips, and they kind of go on the side. You shuffle them in here, and boom. And then we start smoking. But of course, I'm not doing it in the house. That would be bad. There we are. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love ya. And we'll see you soon. We're going to smoke a brisket. Look forward to the next video coming up soon.